Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and page. I greet you according to your time and according to the time you are seeing this video. How are you doing? I hope you're good. My people, Regina her mother and the Regina Daniel's brother, they don't shock Chika Ike o. They don't show her say, we know what you are hiding. We know you very very well. No be today we know you. And in as much as we know our in-law, we know you too. Anyway, guys, why these people have been on Chika Ike's neck is that you know that Regina Daniels' husband refused her to the access to her children, and the people have been saying a lot of things concerning these children, and the children have been crying too, saying that they want to see their mother. They want to see their mother. Regina Daniel have been telling the husband that she want to see her children, but the man refused, telling her that if you want to see your children, come back and never go back. Okay, the time they said that Regina came back and Ned Nwoko brought out what he's, according to what I heard allegedly, what he brought out and was like, if you know that you have not done anything with any man, that uh, you should swear with this thing that you are still the way I left you. Because the man is suspecting that Regina Daniel's brother have pushed her into doing something. Yes, according to what we heard, that there was one guy like that Regina brother introduced Regina to, and this guy took Regina Daniel to the party and was forcing her drink. She was taking drink more than her head can carry. And according to what we heard, that after taking the drink and a lot of smoking and all of that, that the guy took advantage of the G. I don't know how true it is, so that is why I said it's an alleged information. So, and Ned Nwoko never liked Regina Daniel's brother at all. And coupled with this particular one, now if it is true, that he handed Regina over to that guy, and the guy forced Regina to take a lot of drink. Regina is not also with her senses right now. She don't know what she's thinking about. Is she thinking about her children? Is she thinking about what Ned Nwoko will do to her if anything happen? If anything happen, I mean is wait if anything happen like that, maybe mistakenly do anything with any man. She went under oath. She took an oath that she will not do anything against Ned Nwoko. She will not meet any man. If any man meets her, the man might run mad. She too will have problem. All of that. So she don't know which one she's thinking about. But you know that a meeting with another man may not be Regina Daniel's major problem. Her problem is that she want to leave Ned Nwoko alone. She want to leave the Ned Nwoko's house. She doesn't want to be called Ned Nwoko's wife. And that is why she wipe away all the things that will give a trace of Ned Nwoko in her Instagram handle. Both the name, both the pictures, both the videos, everything. But do you know the particular thing that is happening now? Regina Daniel's mother and brother, they went to check Ike as Ned Nwoko was busy threatening Regina, telling her that I'm going to show you, I'm going to do this and do that. So Regina was like, Regina Daniel's mother was like, oh, just because of this chick Ike, you have been threatening my daughter. No, something actually happened, Sha. So she went to check Ike to warn Chika that she should be careful, that because of her her daughter left her husband, and even till now you are still making mouth, you are still boasting as if Ned Nwoko, you are the only one that have Ned Nwoko. No say side chick things dey sweet well well, but I hear say Ned Nwoko went and pay and did court marriage abi secret marriage with Chika. I don't know whether it is true. So, But something happened. Nnedi Nwoko, Regina Daniel's mother and brother went to check her. Because when Regina came to collect her children, Nnedi Nwoko said that she should take a oath. And Regina Daniel said that Nnedi Nwoko should take a oath to swear if Chika Ike's children are not, that he's not the father to Chika Ike's children. But Nnedi Nwoko did not take the oath. So right now, when Regina asked Nnedi that he must do DNA test to prove that what he's saying is the truth, that he's not the father to Chika Ike's pikin, Nnedi Nwoko did not do that though. The next thing we started hearing was that Nnedi Nwoko started accusing Regina Daniel again, saying that the second child is not his child, that one doesn't look like him, this and that. But after Regina had accepted to do DNA test, I don't know whether she later presented the DNA test result or voting. No. But how can she do DNA test when Nnedi Nwoko refused her access to the children? So my people, what I'm trying to say now is that Nnedi Nwoko, Regina Daniel's brother and sister and the mother, they went to Chika Ike and told Chika Ike that you have something that you are hiding from us. But let me tell you, you can never hide it forever. That Regina is not in her matrimonial home. You are happy, abi? Because Nnedi Nwoko have used to make her time, come and be with you, give you everything, do everything for you, but he wouldn't want to do it for his wife. No problem. But a question that you need to ask, you need to answer is this: why are you hiding the face of your child, since you say that Nnedi Nwoko is not the father? Hey, my people, this one shock oh. This one na very very shocking question. That is what they said that Regina Daniel's mother asked Chika Ike. Why are you hiding the face of your children, since you say that they are not the face of your child, since you say that Ned is not the father? Why are you hiding the face? Because you people know that Ned Nwoko's gene is so strong that, hey, if he just check his children, all his children, there's no how you will trace, you will be like, this one does not look like Ned, or this one look like Ned, something like that. All his children looks like him. Even this second child of Regina, but just watch the face, you will see Ned. Just that issues arise, and he started accusing Regina just to know, just to have a point, or just to look for something to hold on, to threaten Regina or to fight Regina. You get? So what I'm now saying is that Regina Daniel's mother and the brother, they are asking Chika Ike, why are you still not have you not reviewed the face of your child, since you say that they are that your child is not Nnedi Nwoko's child? Because you know that if you open the child face, people will see Nnedi Nwoko. If you say that it's not Nnedi Nwoko, open that child face, let us see. Even though children will still change, small pikin dem change now. Maybe as you see them today, you go see them next month, because of how God created them. But just open the face, let us see. Chika Ike have been covering the face. If you watch in every of the video where she was celebrating her children, her new baby, she used to cover the face. The question is this: because she knows that if people sees the face, that people are going to see Nnedi, and they know the father of the child. That is why she has been covering it. And now, people are now monitoring her, because very soon you will see someone post the face of Chika Ike's pikin. Hey, my people, this is what they say that Regina Daniel's mother and the brother said though. And when you watch or notice, as in when you listen to what this particular story now, you know that Chika Ike have something hiding. she have cockroach abi cockroach in her cupboard that she's hiding. So that is what the mother told her. Since you don't want to open the face of your child, you know what you are hiding, that this man is the father to your child. So if you said no, if you said otherwise that he is not the father to your child, open the face, let us see. Why are you still hiding her even till now? Dis one shock me oo. Even Nnedi sef be like say na their plan make she continue to dey hide the face of the child so that people will not know that he is the father to the child. Anyway guys, that is the gist oo. Please don't forget that they are all alleged, because I was not there. That is what I heard. That is why I share with you. Thank you. I love you guys. Bye.